ठीक है, starting with page number 319, more than one correct options. Am I audible, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we are starting with more than one correct options. Recording. Okay. Dealing with odd numbers. Question number 1. X and Y are large parallel conducting plates close to each other. Each face has area A. X is given charge Q. So to X we have given charge Q. And Y is without any charge. So the charge given to it is 0. A, B, C are shown in such a way in the figure. Now we'll do the distribution of charges. We know that in the outer ends the charge will be total divided by 2. So on surface A the charge will be
Q by 2.
2 by 2. Over here total is Q, so Q by 2 goes here.
Minus Q by 2.
2 will come here. Total is Q, na?
Yes, sir.
That Q by 2 here, so Q by 2 here. And over here it is 0, so it will become Q by 2 is here, so here it will be minus Q by 2. Correct? This is the distribution of charges which we have taught you before also. Now they are not asking you all this thing. They are asking what is the electric field at A, B and C. You know, these are plates near a plate. Okay, the electric field is sigma upon
Sigma by 2 epsilon naught.
2 epsilon naught. The sigma will be represented by Q by A.
Q by A.
Okay, so electric field at A will be this way. It will be, how much is this charge on X? Ex will become what? Yeah, Q by
2 epsilon naught A.
naught A. And Y though doesn't have any charge only, na?
Yes, sir.
Net charge on Y is 0, so no problem with that. It will become Ey will not exist only. So now we speak about B. So if we speak about B, can anyone tell me what will be the resultant answer about EB?
Sigma by
Sir,
epsilon.
towards the right, sigma by 2 epsilon naught A.
See, due to him it is 0
Will
only.
be 2 sigma by 2 epsilon.
No. Listen.
But Y doesn't have charge.
Listen. Y doesn't have any charge only. No? Y doesn't have any charge. So don't look at Y. Don't look at the individual charges. Look at the total charge.
Total charge.
The total charge over here is 0 and total charge over here is Q. Rather than doing all that thing, it will come up to the same answer. Okay. So this answer will be, yeah, Q by
2 epsilon naught.
2 epsilon naught A. And here also it will be same thing, na?
Yes, sir.
Q by 2 epsilon naught A. So now we look at the answers, and direction also we know it is away from the positive charge. So the electric field at A, B is Q by 2A epsilon naught. Yes sir, correct.
Yes, sir.
Electric field at B is this is wrong.
C is right.
A, B and C have the same magnitude. Yes. The field at A and C are same magnitude but opposite direction. Yes. So answer will become A, C and D. Correct? A very simple question.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So always remember, look at the Q net. Yeah. If you look at individual charges, now you will get confused very much badly. Understand? So this was the
Yes, sir.
trick only. And direction of Q electric field will be away from the positive charge and towards the negative charge. We know the thing. Okay. Question number 2 is also very nice question. So I'll do that thing. Circuit shown in the figure. Switch S is closed at yes. What happened?
So we've done this some once and
We have done this.
somewhat like similar.
ठीक है देखो ना करते हैं ना तो
Yes,
problem
sir.
आगे compromise करेंगे थोड़ा. Circuit shown in the figure, switch S is closed at time 0. Select the correct statement. Rate of increase of charge. Rate of increase of charge is current कहते हैं ना current. Okay. तो अभी क्या हो रहा है? They are asking you at time 0. Now when they ask you at time 0 and when you close this guy at time 0,
Short.
capacitor will act as short circuit.
Short
Short
circuit.
Can I say the net charge, the net EMF over here is E, so net EMF over here will also be E.
Yes.
So the maximum charge which is going to be filled over here will be C into E, and the maximum charge which is going to be filled over here will become 2C into E. I hope you all are understanding what is happening. Okay. The time constant of this guy will become 2RC. Look at the line. Look at the line, right?
Yes.
Hello. And the
Yes,
time
sir.
constant of this guy is also 2CR. So that will become 2RC only. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Can I say, if I want to write the equation of H, I can say Q of C at any instant of time is C into E, 1 minus E raised to minus T by 2RC. This is for C capacitor. And if I want to write for Q for 2C, it will become 2C into E, 1 minus E raised to minus T by 2RC. This is for 2C. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
This is
Yes,
at
sir.
any instant of time which I am writing. Now, if we see the relations between both of them, if I take derivative of both of them, what is asked actually first? The ratio of the rate of increase of charge in both of them is the
Same.
same. Now you can see the formulas are different.
Two.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
The formulas are different at any instant of time, right or not? So it will not be the same. The rate of charge stored in the capacitor C and 2C at any instant of time will be 1 by 2. Yes, it is 1 by 2. You can see if you divide both of them, Q of C at any instant of time, so Q of 2C at any instant of time is going to become 1:2. This answer is correct. Time constant for both of them are equal. Yes, both are same. Steady state charge will become in the ratio of, yes sir. So this will also be correct. So answer is B, C, D. I hope you all have got the question. Very simple question it is. Okay.
So steady state is what? T is equals to infinity, right?
Yes, T is infinity. So maximum charge, right?
Yes, sir.
No, fine. So this was the whole case. I hope you all have understood. आगे बढ़ेंगे हम लोग. We'll come to question number 3. In an electrical circuit shown in the figure, the resistance of each voltmeter is infinity. Means it is an ideal voltmeter and each ammeter is 100. So ammeter is going to become 100. So this guy is 100. This is 100 ohms and this is also 100 ohms. And voltmeter is infinity. It doesn't matter. The charge on the capacitor in steady state is 100 microfarad. Of 100 microfarad is 4 millicoulomb. So I can say this capacitor, he's talking about this capacitor. So if we talk about this capacitor, can I say the capacitance is 100 microfarad and the charge stored is 4 millicoulomb. So can I say the voltage at that instant is Q by C? That will become 4 into 10 raised to minus 3 is 100 into 10 raised to minus 6. Is going to become how much, man?
40.
40 volt. So voltage at that instant, voltage at steady state is going to become 40 volt. Can I say at that moment? He is talking about which state? He is talking about steady state.
Steady state.
At that moment, the capacitor is an open circuit. Yes or no, sir? We're talking about
Yes,
time
sir.
infinity. I hope you are understanding. We are just going with the flow, right? So now,
Yes, sir.
now we know one thing, that this is 40. So if we talk about steady state, now look at this branch, okay? This whole branch which we are dealing with. We are dealing with this branch. If we deal with this branch will be open circuit.
It get cancelled.
And I said this will be 40. And the current over here will be 0 because it is acting like an open circuit, right or not, at this instant.
Yes, sir.
So,
And can I say this resistance of total will be how much, man? 1000. Hello.
Yes,
Can I
sir.
say they both are in parallel? So if they both are in parallel, if this is a drop is 40, so the drop over here, this is also 40, right or not?
Yes, sir.
Can I say the current over here, the current over here will become V by R, will become 40 by 1000, 40 by, correct or not?
Yes, sir.
That
40
will become
milliampere.
40 by 1000, right?
Yes,
So it will
sir.
become 40 milliampere, correct or not, sir? Hello.
yes, sir.
And if I draw the whole circuit, this guy is going to become 200 ohms because he is read by an infinite voltmeter. It doesn't matter. And this will become, this is battery Z, which I don't know. Can I say the same 40 milliampere is going to flow through here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is all talking about infinite time, huh, beta?
Steady state. Steady state. T is
Steady
infinity.
state. Yes, steady state. Now, can you tell me what is the reading of voltmeter V2? V2 will read I into R. This guy will read. This guy will read how much? I into R at that instant. So 40 into 10 raised to minus 3 into R. R is how much, man? Across that is 200. So it will become 8000. That will become 8 volt. Hello.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me what will be the voltmeter reading? This is to 40 only. So this whole thing is 40. So can you tell me what is the EMF of the battery at that instant of time? This is 40 and this is 8. So this guy will become 48 volt.
48.
48 volt. Yes, sir.
Hello. So we'll see what is happening. Reading of the voltmeter V2 is 16. No, sir, it is not 16. It is 8. Reading of the ammeter A1 is 0. Where is A1? A1 is here. Yes, obviously it is 0,
Yes,
right?
sir. Go
Yes,
current
sir.
won't flow.
And A2 will become, where is A2? A2 is this guy. A2 is this guy. A2 is this guy. How much it is? 40 milliampere. And 1 by 25 or what? What is 1 by 25? 40 milliampere only.
Yes, sir.
So this guy is correct. Reading of the voltmeter V1 is 40 volt. Yes, sir, it is correct. EMF of the ideal cell is not 66, it is 48. This is wrong. So answer will become B and C. I hope you all have got the question. Very simple it is.
Yes,
It's
Yes,
sir.
combined with current only. And it is combined with current only. All questions have to be with current only in support. Otherwise not possible. ठीक है ना?
Yes, sir.
तो आप लोग को है ना खुद से ट्राई करना है. If I do that is fine, but खुद से ट्राई करेंगे, कुछ मिस्टेक करेंगे तो ही समझ आएगा. ओके, ये सब क्वेश्चन ऐसे ही खुद से ट्राई करना है. A parallel plate capacitor is charged from a cell, then isolated from it. So charge करने के बाद में, if you isolate it, what remains constant? The charge on the capacitor remains constant.
Yes,
Because
sir.
battery is removed, right? The separation between the plates is increased. Obviously, we know the formula C is equal to A epsilon naught K by D, which is equal to beta Q by V. Can I say if Q is constant and what is increased?
difference.
The distance.
D is increased. Okay, D is increased. The force between the plates will decrease. Now I'm dealing only with formula. I'm not going any derivation. Force between the two plates is Q square upon 2A epsilon naught K. If you remember. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Hello. यार ऐसे मत करो.
yes, sir.
Hello, F is equal to Q square. Where did it come from? Sir, F is equal to QE. E is, what is E? Sigma upon 2 epsilon naught now between
Yes,
the plates
sir.
due to one
Yes,
plate.
sir.
So and sigma is Q by A. So it will
By
become
A.
Q square upon 2A epsilon naught K. K is the dielectric constant. Can I say it is independent of distance? So force will be what? A constant. So force of attraction will decrease. No, it will not decrease. It will remain the same. Q is not changed. Nah? Q is constant.
Yes.
Second part, if I tell you, the field in between the plates will not change. What is the electric field in between the plates ka formula? Q by 2 epsilon naught.
By 2
Sigma upon 2.
epsilon naught.
Right now we have done. First sum also we did. First sum also we did. Can I say this formula is also?
Independent of distance.
Cons.
So it doesn't change, right? So this answer will be
Yes, sir.
correct. Right? This answer will be correct. The energy stored in between the capacitors will increase. What is the formula for energy? Can I say
Half CV.
is Q square by 2C? No, no, no.
QC.
Keep,
Ah, yeah,
keep,
yes.
keep such a formula. You should know the tricks. Okay, keep
Okay,
such a
sir.
formula which one thing is constant. And I know that if D is increasing, C will decrease.
Degrees.
So if C is decreasing, U will increase. Hello, so energy will increase, right or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
D point. Acha. What is E ka formula? Can I say it is V by D? So V is going to become ED. But can I say E to nothing but there is a constant? Can I say if D increases, V will also increase?
Increases. Yes, sir.
Potential difference will decrease. That is wrong. V will increase. So answer will become B and C. I hope you all have got the question. Okay. Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Chalo. It's very if you know the previous concepts, na apne aap ekdam smoothly it will go. Question number 7. Two capacitors, 2 and 3 microfarad are charged. Acha beta, I need to teach you all this. Hai na? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Pay attention to me. Okay, this is explained on page number 283 of DC Pandya. In self-explanatory section over there, solved examples. Please refer to that. Okay. Advance में बहुत सारे sums आएंगे बाद में subjective में. But ये this is the start sum so that you need to understand. What is the rule? That what is happening over here? There were two capacitors which were 2 and 3, which were charged to 150. This guy was charged to 150. So how much was the charge initially resting over here? CV. 300 microcoulomb. Hello.
Yes, sir.
With the polarity given. And this guy was how much? 120. So how much was the charge resting over here?
360.
Yes,
360 with the polarity given. Hello.
yes, sir.
Now they are telling you that the plates of capacitor are connected as shown in the figure. They have given you the polarity. An uncharged capacitor of 1.5 microfarad falls on the free end of the wire. If it falls, this guy will become this way. You know, connections will be made. 1.5 micro will say, I don't have anything. You need to supply it to me. Okay. Plus minus. Hello.
Yes, sir.
This guy will become 300 and this guy at this instant it is 300 just before touching. Okay. Just before touching. This guy is how much? 300.
300. That is 360.
And this guy is how much? 360. And this guy will say, I don't have anything. You need to give it to me. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Now, if it would be two capacitors, I would have applied that C1 V1 plus C2 V2 1 C1 plus C2. You know that thing. Hello. But here there are no two capacitors, man. Hello.
Yes, sir.
There are three capacitors, more than 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I don't know. Okay. It could be anything. Hello. So the
Yes, sir.
method says over here that this is just before touching. I can say at time 0, just before they are connecting.
Just before, yeah.
This is the instant. Okay. After connection, can I say a charge is going to flow which will make the net potential difference equal to 0.
Yes.
KVL if you apply, can I say Q into C of पहले वालो plus second वालो plus third वालो should become equal to 0? V1 plus V2 plus V3, Kirchhoff voltage law na baba. The algebraic sum of voltage in a closed loop will become equal to what, sir? 0 na? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Because that will balance the energy, na? It is based on law of conservation of energy. So we will consider, you can consider a let that this charge is 1.5 microfarad. This charge is, whatever charge, let it be, polarities are going to remain the same. If you don't know, you can assume, no problem with that. Let a charge plus Q be flowing this way. Assume na? Hello? Assumption.
Yes, sir.
Let it could be flow in the opposite direction also. You can get the minus sign answer. Hello? Okay?
Yes, sir.
Let a charge be flowing in this direction. Which direction is this? Clockwise direction. Hello? Now listen to me. Initially, how much was this charge? 360.
60.
Okay. Can I say plus Q is leaving this plate or entering this plate? You can
Leaving.
see, idhar dhyan do. Plus is in the second plate. Hello?
Yes, sir.
You can see plus Q is leaving the plate. So ye at this instant ho jayega 360 minus Q. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? If the second plate comes, ये जो plate है ना, ये plus आता है ना बेटा, ये यहाँ से, and in the direction of leaving होता है तो it will become minus. यहाँ पर भी कितना हो जाएगा? 300 minus Q. And यहाँ पर you can consider that plus Q आके बैठ गया. ये क्या हो जाएगा? Q हो जाएगा. Getting it? This is the method how to do. Getting it? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Q यहाँ से निकालो. देखो एक काम करो. Come to page number 283. I'll read the theory so that you can understand. 283.
So once I need to get the book.
Yeah. Get the book.
So for the third capacitor, will the polarity be reversed or will it be the way of
No.
shown it only?
That only. You'll come to know while I'll read now. You'll come to know everything. Okay.
So which page is it?
283. Have you all got the book?
Yes, sir.
Important sum है ये, इसलिए हम लोग थोड़ा टाइम दे रहे हैं because the new concept is there. अच्छा चलो शुरू करूं मैं. Type 7 it is. बराबर है? Type 7. Hello.
Yes, sir.
See, concept says to find final charges on different capacitor when position of switch is changed, open or closed from one position to another position. Concept first, to find current in a CR circuit at any time t. Okay, a capacitor may be assumed to be a battery of EMF E और V is equal to Q by C. अच्छा यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है? ये दोनों कैपेसिटर को हमने क्या मान लिया? हमने मान लिया दोनों बैटरी है. हेलो?
Yes, sir.
Charge capacitor.
चार्ज कैपेसिटर बराबर है क्या? तो अगर हमको चार्ज ऑन द थर्ड कैपेसिटर निकालना है तो हमने क्या मान लिया कि ये दोनों कैपेसिटर्स जो भरे हुए हैं they are acting like a battery. They are assumed to be a battery.
Discharging charge.
Yeah. Second point क्या बोला है? Difference between a normal battery and a capacitor battery is EMF of the normal battery will remain constant while EMF of the capacitor battery keeps on changing with Q. बराबर है क्या नहीं है? अगर बैटरी होता नॉर्मल तो उसका वोल्टेज तो कांस्टेंट होता ना.
Yes, sir.
मगर यहाँ पर तो कैपेसिटर बैटरी में से चार्ज घटते जा रहा है बिकॉज दूसरे को देना है तो खुद तो कम करेगा. थर्ड पॉइंट, बिफोर चेंजिंग द पोजीशन ऑफ द स्विच एवरी लूप ऑफ द सर्किट में नॉट बी बैलेंस्ड बाय किरचॉफ सेकंड इक्वेशन. बराबर है? वही मैं कह रहा था. सो इन अ सिंगल लूप रोटेट, अभी ये इंपॉर्टेंट है, So in a single loop problem, rotate a charge plus q either clockwise or anti-clockwise. Rotate a charge plus q plus q plus q, clockwise or anti-clockwise. From this charge, some charges on the capacitor may increase and other may decrease. देखो, some is
Yes,
increasing,
sir.
some is decreasing. To check this, ये important है statement. To check this, always concentrate on the positive plate of the capacitor. जो capacitors भरे हुए हैं उनके positive plate पे आप concentrate करो. If the positive charge comes out of the positive plate, okay, hello,
Yes, sir.
always if the positive charge come towards this plate, then charge on the capacitor will increase. And ulta agar bolne jayegi, if the positive charge comes out of this positive plate, hello, charge
Decrease.
will decrease.
Decrease.
So come towards is like the capacitor which doesn't have charge.
Yeah, ऐसे नहीं, ऐसे भी हो सकता
No,
है.
no,
Suppose इसका
entering the
polarity,
positive charge.
देखो
ना?
एक मिनट, अगर इसका पोलैरिटी बेटा, अगर इसका पोलैरिटी ऐसे होता तो ये हो जाता 360 प्लस क्यू. हेलो.
Yes, sir. Entering through like
हाँ,
वो
yeah, that only I'm telling you. Rajveer,
Kirchhoff's
did you
law के
understand?
जैसा वो बैटरी के एंटर कर रहा है लीव कर रहा है वैसे ही ना.
वही है. Rajveer, you didn't understand?
So I didn't hear the last part.
वही मैं कह रहा हूँ. See, अगर ये प्लस की जगह ये माइनस और प्लस होता और अगर हम रोटेट करते चार्ज को, so rather than this becoming 360 minus q, this would have been 360.
So the
Plus
rotation
Q.
will be the same, but only the
Rotation
charge
is
is like opposite.
हाँ, if you are
Okay,
see if this is the capacitor and if this is the charged capacitor, and if plus q is coming out ऐसे, so this will be some charge
minus
minus
the
q.
positive that left. Huh.
और अगर ऐसे हो रहा है, तो दिस विल बी सम चार्ज प्लस q. ये चाहिए तो ये लिख लो, ये इसका स्क्रीनशॉट मार लो, आपको समझ आएगा. या तो लिख लो आप, इसको लिख ही लो तुम लोग, ताकि कभी स्क्रीनशॉट इधर घूम जाए या कुछ हो जाए तो इट विल बिकम प्रॉब्लम. हेलो.
Yes, sir, done, sir.
ठीक है, अभी वो सब टाइम पास है, अभी आ जाओ फिर से सम की तरफ. ये सम पढ़ लेना घर पे जाके, सेम सम है. ओके, इट इज एक्चुअली सब्जेक्टिव में सेम सम आएगा, सब्जेक्टिव में सेम सम फिर से आएगा. हम लोग उसे बेसिक्स पढ़ना है अभी फिलहाल. तो चलो हम लोग एक काम करते हैं, वी कम बैक टू आवर क्वेश्चन. ओके, चलो एक काम करो, किरचॉफ लॉ लगाओ. चलो Q बाई सी ना.
Yes, sir.
इसका C तो 2 है, इसका C कितना है 3 है, और इसका C is 1.5. बराबर. चलो शुरू करते हैं. Can I say if I move my finger this way, if I move my finger also क्या clockwise, so it will become 360
Minus Q by 3.
Q by C ना.
Yes, sir.
Plus 300 minus Q
By 2.
तीसरा वाला क्या रहेगा, minus Q by 1.5 will become equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
चलो Q का वैल्यू ढूंढो फटाफट. Q का वैल्यू फटाफट ढूंढो प्लीज. फाइंड इट. थोड़ा कैलकुलेट कर लो. अदर क्वेश्चंस आर सिंपल होंगी, फटाफट हो जाएगा, कुछ भी नहीं है उसमें. खाली ये सब इम्पोर्टेंट है, इसलिए मुझे फाइंड करना है. Anyone got or what you all are doing, or I should give you the answer only?
Yes, sir.
No, sir, we are doing so one second.
ठीक है.
So 180 microcoulomb.
वेरी गुड, हो गया. चलो ठीक है, तो ये आंसर आ गया 180 माइक्रोकूलम. अब आंसर खत्म नहीं हुआ है भाई, अब एडजस्टमेंट करना पड़ेगा. This guy will become what? 360 minus Q ना? हेलो?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा
Yes,
Q
sir.
यहाँ पे प्लस और माइनस दोनों आ सकता है, उसके हिसाब से एडजस्टमेंट करना भाई। यहाँ पे कितना आया? प्लस ही आया ना आपको? हेलो?
Yes, sir.
एडजस्ट विद मैथमेटिक्स इज इंपॉर्टेंट। तो ये कितना हो जाएगा फाइनली?
180.
180 हो जाएगा। ये कितना हो जाएगा? 120
Yes.
बराबर है ना भाई? ये कितना हो जाएगा?
180.
दिस इज अभी चलो शुरू करते हैं। चार्ज ऑन 1.5 माइक्रोफैरेड कैपेसिटर इज 180. यस सर, इट इज करेक्ट, ए इज करेक्ट। चार्ज ऑन 2 माइक्रोफैरेड कैपेसिटर इज 120. वेरी गुड।
Yes.
पॉजिटिव चार्ज फ्लोज फ्रॉम ए टू लेफ्ट, ये पॉइंट है। ए टू लेफ्ट, ए टू लेफ्ट और ए टू राइट है।
It's left to right.
थ्रू ए फ्रॉम राइट टू
Right.
लेफ्ट। नो, इट इज रॉन्ग ना?
No,
No,
no, sir.
it's
Left to
left to
right.
Left to right.
जो ये तो हमने अज्यूम किया which is come to be positive charge only ना, it is come to be
Yes, sir.
correct only, so it is not correct। तो ये आंसर है। so answer will become A, B and D। I hope you all have understood the question। इसका थोड़ा हाई लेवल का क्वेश्चन आपको सब्जेक्टिव में दिखाई देगा। I hope you all have understood this thing।
Yes,
yes,
sir.
Yes,
Understood,
sir.
sir.
ये
Sir?
मेथड हमको समझ गए। हाँ
So in the start, you were telling something about the diagram, the yellow one. I couldn't hear that properly.
no, I just told that at time 0 this is the situation, nothing else।
Okay.
after time t this will be the situation ना बेटा? हेलो?
Yes, sir. Yes.
just before connections are made, that is time 0 connection। but this is important, this green structure is important, then later on you can see। ठीक है, चलो। so this was a new sum, that's why we took some time। question number 9 पर आता है। what is it telling you? okay, a capacitor of 2 farad practically is not possible to have a capacity of 2 farad, yes sir, is charged to a battery of 6 volt। the battery is removed। so battery is removed means what? the charge is going to remain the same। so what is the charge now? CV, that is 12 farad na? with plus minus sign, correct or not?
Yes, sir.
What is it telling you? Choose the correct options। can I say this will nothing but act like a battery? hello? this will initially at time 0 he will say I am the boss, okay, I will supply। so if you close the switch at time 0, this capacitor will act like a capacitor battery। hello?
Yes, sir.
this will be this way, negative and positive। and how much is the voltage over here? 6 volt। this is 1 and this is 2। how much is the current flowing at this instant of time? 6 by 3 will become 2 ampere। hello? so at time 0 the current flowing is 2 ampere। very good sir, this is correct।
Max.
yeah, maximum, very good, maximum current is going to flow at time t 6 ln2। अच्छा एक चीज याद रखो, जब भी ln2 ये सब टाइम पास देखे ना, मतलब इट इज अ क्वेश्चन ऑफ हाफ लाइफ। अभी तक तो आपको समझ गया रहेगा। हेलो, व्हाट एम आई टॉकिंग अबाउट?
Yes, sir.
हेलो, अरे मैन, अंडरस्टूड और नॉट? हेलो?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
ln2 generally comes in half life only ना? हेलो? 0.693 cr। yes or no sir? what is half life का formula which I had told you? it is ln2 tau c, 0.693 tau l। forgot? I should revise again। hello? चलो, अंडरस्टैंडिंग?
Yes, sir.
आवाज आ रही है क्या?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
It's
sir.
coming.
अबे ये कहाँ से आया है? ये पता है क्या? करंट
Yes,
का
sir.
फॉर्मूला
We
क्या है?
did it.
अरे वी डिड इट, यू ऑल हैव फॉरगॉटन यार। ऐसे e रेज़ टू माइनस t by tau
E
c,
raised to minus t by tau.
ये e i नॉट by 2 करो यार, ऐसे मत करो तुम लोग यार। एवरीथिंग आई शुड अगेन एंड अगेन। ये I नॉट उड़ गया, ये हाफ हो गया, हाफ को उल्टा कर दो,
Yeah.
ये हो जाएगा e raised to t
E
by
raised
tau
to
c.
t by tau c.
take ln2,
Now take
हो गया
log.
t by tau c, but this is t half ना, half life.
We have.
तो ये आंसर मिलेगा ना आपको? हेलो
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes,
यार
sir.
याद करो यार, ऐसे मत करो बार बार. ये इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं अगर मैंने आपको याद कराया रहेगा, 0.693 tau c.
3 tau c. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तो ln2 जब भी आपको दिखेगा ना भाई, ये अभी ट्रिक का टाइम है, अभी अभी सब मेहनत बहुत हो गई अभी. ln2 is 0.693 tau c, 0. ln2 जब भी दिखेगा आपको पता लगना चाहिए कि इट इज हाफ लाइफ का सम. मैं पता कैसे करेंगे, कहाँ से, कितने टाइम है? इनफाइनाइट टाइम्स अदर. at time 6 ln2 seconds potential difference become 3 volt. अच्छा, can I say at half life what happens? At half life what remains? Can I say I becomes I by 2? Obviously V will also become V by 2 ना,
Yes, sir.
because अगर I is I R होता है ना साइड में I R, तो अगर I आधा हो जाएगा
R
तो
is
उसके अक्रॉस
constant ना,
पोटेंशियल
so.
डिफरेंस R is constant. Yes, yes, very good. So can I say voltage will also become half? So ये हाफ लाइफ ही है. ये हाफ लाइफ का फॉर्मूला क्या है? ln2 tau c. tau c क्या रहेगा? CR ना.
Yes, sir.
So what is ln2? CR का वैल्यू कितना? C कितना है क्वेश्चन में? C2 है ना.
3.
C2.
C2
R
और
is
R3
3.
है,
R
तो ये
is 3.
6 हो गया ना.
Yes, sir.
6 is
Yes,
done,
sir.
man, done. 6 ln2. मतलब we are talking about half life only, indirectly he is talking about half life. हाफ लाइफ पे क्या होगा? करंट आधा, वोल्टेज आधा. वोल्टेज अगर आधा हो गया एट दिस इंस्टेंट एट हाफ लाइफ, कैन आई से एट हाफ लाइफ ये तो 3 वोल्ट हो गया ना. बोलेगा मेरा क्षमता कम हो चुका. करंट कितना हो गया एट दिस इंस्टेंट? 1 एम्पियर. अरे व्हाट हैपेंड? And the voltage will become 3 volt. Can anyone tell me how much is the drop across each of them? अगर ये 3 वोल्ट है तो इसके अक्रॉस तो 1 वोल्ट ही आएगा ना.
1 volt and 2 volts.
2 volts. करंट ओनली, करंट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी मैन. चलो अभी शुरू करते हैं. So at time 6 ln2 half life the potential difference is 3 volt. Very good sir. At time 6 ln2 potential difference across 1 volt is 1 ohm and 2 volt is 2 ohms. Sir, all are correct.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Done. Right. Okay. We'll start with comprehension based. We finished with this guy. This thing is over. We're starting with comprehension based questions. Okay now. Going to the next section. कौन सा वाला है अभी? कॉम्प्रिहेंशन है ना. कॉम्प्रिहेंशन चालू करेंगे. कॉम्प्रिहेंशन तो एक ही है, आप लोग करेंगे. फिर मैच द कॉलम तो आपको पता ही है, सब इजी होता है. नेक्स्ट टाइम हम लोग सब्जेक्टिव से चालू करेंगे. सब्जेक्टिव में कितने क्वेश्चंस है अच्छे खासे, तो 2 लेक्चर जाएगा सब्जेक्टिव में. ठीक है. Starting with comprehension based question, passage number 1, question number 1 and 2. Question number 3 and 4 is passage 2, which you all will solve later. The capacitor C1 in the figure is shown initially carries a charge Q0. Who is carrying the charge Q0? This guy, C1. Hello. So how much is the charge? How much is the charge across? How much is the voltage across this capacitor? V is equal to Q by C, na?
Q by C.
So it is like a voltage battery, na? When the switches S1 and S2 are closed, C1 is connected to a resistor. If you can see, the resistor R is there. Red pen is not nice. Okay, R is there, and second capacitor C2 is there, which is initially uncharged. This guy says I don't have anything. The charge flows as a function of time. Okay. Fine. The charge which will flow as a function of time. Okay. Can you tell me what is tau c? RC net? Yeah,
RC
R net
net.
Yes,
C.
sir. C
Yes,
net
sir.
will be C1, C2
C1,
upon C1
C2
plus
upon C1
C2.
plus C2.
Because initially they are in series only, na?
Yes, sir.
Then they will reach common potential later on. Initially they are in series only, na? Charge is flowing in series only, na, through them. Hello.
Yes, sir.
What is C1, C2 upon C into C2? Okay, very good. The charge flows through the wire. Can you tell me चार्ज इस पे बढ़ रहा है कि कम हो रहा है?
Increasing, sir.
It's
Increasing,
increasing.
obviously. Can you tell me how much is the maximum charge on this guy? Yeah, now this is very important to understand. Pay attention to me. Can I use the charge divider formula? I had told you. One second, pay attention. Can I say when they will reach common potential? They will reach common potential. What will be the common potential in between them? Yes or no, sir?
Yes.
So, what is C1 V1? Q, na? Q naught, na?
Yes, sir.
V is Q. C2 V2 says I don't have anything,
Yeah.
man. This will be C1 plus C2.
C1 plus.
It will become Q naught upon C1 plus C2. Okay. So can I say at that instant, the voltage is becoming common. So the charge will be different. Hello?
Yes.
Is after some time, can I say when they reach common potential, this guy will say, I am also at VC and you are also at VC. Hello? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So how much will be charge across this guy? CV? CVC? Hello? CVC?
Yes, sir.
The charge across this guy will become C1 VC and the charge across this guy will become
C2.
I want that only. How much? C2
VC.
VC. We have taught you all these concepts, huh? Please be
Yes,
with me.
sir.
So what is the charge C2 VC? But what is VC?
Q0 by C1 plus
You are
C2.
not seeing this.
I wanted this, huh? Beta? Can I say this much charge, this much maximum charge is flowing through the wire from this guy? Hello?
Yes, sir.
अरे भाई this much maximum charge will flow through the wire ना, because start में तो ये भरा हुआ है ना, ये बोलेगा मैं आपको दे रहा हूँ, कितना दे रहा हूँ, मैक्सिमम इतना दे रहा हूँ. हेलो?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Can I say ये तो खाली हो रहा है ना, this is getting empty
FG.
and this is getting filled. But how will it get filled? Exponentially, na?
Yes, sir.
It is obviously going to get filled. How much? What is the filling of the charge ka formula? Q maximum.
Q0.
1 minus e
1
raised to
minus
minus
e
t
raised
by
to.
tau c.
Yes, sir.
Hello. They are asking you how much is the charge flowing through the wire. So if they are asking you charge flowing through the wire, I have to follow this formula.
Yes, sir.
Things are getting a little complicated, but if you understand, कोई दिक्कत नहीं आना चाहिए भाई, ठीक है ना? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Q मैक्सिमम की जगह मैं क्या लिखूंगा? Q मैक्सिमम की जगह क्या मैं ये लिखूंगा?
Yeah.
हेलो, तो
Yes,
लिखते
sir.
हैं, कैन आई से द चार्ज फ्लोइंग थ्रू द वायर, is the same charge which is getting filled in C2. Hello,
Yes.
chalo. So
So, so I
C2,
don't understand this Qmax ka part.
see,
So to
till,
just
yeah. Divya,
yes,
till
sir.
when is the charge going to get flowed? This charge will flow till when?
So till C2 will get filled.
No,
And
till they reach
C1
common
will get
potential.
See,
No,
sir.
Baba, no. Charge flow, अरे यार, if you connect two tanks of
Yes,
water,
yes, sir.
water will flow from one water tank to another
Yes,
water tank. Till when? Till when?
the level is
they both are same.
So if you apply the same thing over here, I have repeated this thing many times, right? So if you
yes,
connect two capacitors, the charge will flow till when? Till
common
they
potential.
reach common potential. So till this formula is being applied, C1 V1 plus C2 V2 upon C1 plus C2.
Yes, sir.
So can I say VC will become Q naught upon C1 plus C2? So can I say this guy will also acquire VC at that instant, and this guy will also acquire VC at that instant? Can I say at that moment both the potentials will be the same? So the charge flowing will stop at that instant.
Yes,
So if you want to find this Q2 maximum, can I say Q ka formula is CV, 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 CV.
yes, sir.
So C is C2. What is V? VC, na? So if you apply this, you get this. So can I say this is the maximum charge which is going to get filled in C2? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes.
This is the maximum charge that is going to get filled from Q1, from C1 to C2. Hello.
Yes, sir.
It is never going to get happen that C1 will say that sab le lo mera and C2 will say sab bhar jao. ऐसे नहीं होगा. Rule के मुताबिक potential has to be the same. So can I say QC2 का formula will become Q maximum 1 minus e raised to minus t by tau c. Can anyone write the formula? QC2 will become Q maximum is what, sir? Q maximum is C2 Q naught
C2 Q naught
upon
C1.
C1 plus C2.
C2.
1 minus e raised to minus t by tau c. Tau
I've
c we know
seen.
this is the tau c, huh, beta?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
I've seen that.
Now they have used another thing. They have told you that C is C1 C2 upon C1 plus C2. Hello.
C2 upon C1 plus C2 is equal to C by C.
Yeah. So can I say if you manipulate this formula, what will it become in their terms? In the question ke terms, what they
E
have
by
asked?
Q naught into C by
B,
C1.
sir, option B.
Yeah.
Q C2 will become C2 upon C1 plus C2. C2 upon C1 plus C2 will become C by C1.
Yes, sir.
Q naught
Into Q naught.
1 minus e raised to minus t by RC. Or what happened? What is the answer?
B, sir, B.
B is only looking. भाई और तो कोई दिख ही नहीं रहा है मुझे तो. 1 minus तो एक ही आंसर है ना. I hope you all have understood. ये दो तीन concepts join करके खाली ये sum था. इसमें कुछ नया चीज नहीं है. Yes sir. Hello.
Yes.
ठीक है ना भाई. चलो. सेकंड वाला क्या कह रहा है? सेकंड वाला क्या कह रहा है? इसी में सेकंड पार्ट क्या कह रहा है?
Total heat
The
dissipated.
total
na?
heat dissipated.
So this will be energy in C2 same, na?
हीट का फॉर्मूला तो मालूम है ना, एनर्जी लॉस. हेलो, कैन आई से एनर्जी लॉस कितना हो गया? व्हाट इज द शॉर्टकट फॉर्मूला फॉर एनर्जी लॉस? हाफ C1
half
C2.
C1 C2 upon C1 plus
Yeah, plus
C2 the
V1
V1 minus V2
minus
the
V2.
whole square.
दो बिस्कुट.
तो हाफ C1 C2 is half C only ना,
Yes, sir.
अपॉन V1 को लिख सकते हैं Q0 बाय C1. V2 तो जीरो है ना, खाली था ना दूसरा वाला. हेलो, अरे बाबा V1 was what यार, ऐसे मत करो. V1 was what, किधर गया? ये तो किधर है? हाँ. V1 was what is the initial voltage across him? हेलो,
Yes, sir.
हो गया तो V1 मिल गया ना आंसर देखो.
हाँ.
हेलो,
Yes, sir.
So option A na.
ये होंगे ना, ये होंगे.
So so here could we do this, that energy that is like getting accumulated in C2 like
See
will,
second, yeah, you are correct only. अरे
so
second,
that only will be the heat loss na, because वो half होता है ना.
second method will be delta U is U initial minus U final. इसमें सब अप्लाई करना पड़ेगा आप जो कह रहे हो. हेलो,
Yes sir. So U initial will be 0 na.
कैसे जीरो? भरा हुआ था ना पहले वाला कैपेसिटर, तो भरा हुआ था, कैसे जीरो? भाई ये
No, no,
कैपेसिटर.
we could, so for this we could use the second capacitor to calculate na.
No, who is supplying minus who is getting? हेलो,
अच्छा, okay, understood sir.
सप्लाई तो कुछ और कर रहा है ना.
Understood sir, समझा, correct.
ठीक है. चलो सेकंड पार्ट क्या कह रहा है, ये भी कर लेते हैं ना. अभी ये इतना प्रिंटिंग किया है तो इतना मेहनत किया है उसने, कर लेते हैं ना हम लोग. ठीक है ना. हेलो,
Yes.
फिर मैच द कॉलम आई विल डू 2 3 एंड यू ऑल कैन डू द रेस्ट. मैच द कॉलम एकदम इजी रहता है जनरली. देखो पढ़ो. फिगर शोज अ पैरेलल प्लेट कैपेसिटर विद प्लेट्स एरिया A and plate separation D. The potential difference being applied to the plates. The battery is disconnected. Battery is disconnected means charge is going to remain constant. And a dielectric slab is introduced. This guy is K, dielectric slab K is introduced in between them. Now answer the following questions of the above information. The electric field and the gap between the plates. Okay, very simple. You know one thing which I had told you initially also, we had done this question. If this is there, this is there, this is there, this is there, this, what is the electric field in between them? V by D.
V by D. Yes.
It is E naught is what, sir? V by D. But if I have told you, remember, if I introduce a dielectric slab in between them,
P by
the
K.
electric, very good, very good. I can say that the electric field is going to become E naught by K inside.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, but this will remain E naught. This will remain E naught only. This guy will also remain E naught only. Only inside the dielectric, the field will become E naught by K. Hello.
Yes.
Now you have the answers in front of you. The electric field and the gaps between the plates and the slab will become V by D.
Mm.
The electric field in between the slab will become V by KD. Arey Baba, this is E naught only, na?
Yes. Sir.
And this is E naught by K, na? Okay. Hello. बेचारा टाइपिस्ट को ज्यादा मेहनत हो गई नहीं हमारे से. ठीक है. He's made all the diagram and everything. Okay. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We come to match the column. ये क्या हो रहा है यार? ये अभी मेरी बात सुनो, यहाँ पर मजा आएगा। Everyone just pay attention please. In a figure shown C1 is कितना है? C1 कितना है? हेलो,
For
for the
हाँ भाई ये सब
microfarad.
सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा, इधर ध्यान दें। C1 पहले 4 है and C2 is also 4. This is with dielectric, बराबर है क्या? हेलो,
yes sir.
पहले dielectric ओके। अब क्या बोल रहे हैं, ये C1 और C2 है with the dielectric slab K2, तो इधर जो K है अंदर वो K2 है, ध्यान से। Now the same slab is removed and put in C1, तो कोई बता सकता है ये इधर से निकाल के इधर डाल दिया, तो ये तो डबल केसी हो गया ना ये। हेलो, ये 8 माइक्रोफैरेड हो गया ना मेरा बच्चा। हेलो, अरे मैन अंडरस्टूड।
Yes sir. Yes sir.
और ये के निकालेगा तो सी बाई के हो जाएगा, मतलब ये 2 माइक्रोफैरेड हो जाएगा। कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रही है क्या बात? हेलो,
Understood.
ये तो सिंपल है ना। अब क्या बोल रहा है कि बैटरी को भी लगाया है, यहाँ पे बैटरी जो थी उसको भी लगा दिया, बैटरी को हमने लगा दिया। कह रहे चार्ज बढ़ा कि कम हुआ कि क्या हुआ कि वो हुआ, लोग देखते हैं। ठीक है बेटा, एक काम करते हैं हम लोग, वोल्टेज का कोई नंबर ले लेते हैं, ठीक है चलेगा ना? हेलो,
Yes, sir.
वोल्टेज का कोई भी आप नंबर पकड़ लो, विल बिकम बेटर। सपोज आई कंसीडर 10 वोल्ट, चलेगा क्या?
Yes, sir.
एक काम करते हैं, डिविजन लेते हैं ना, 8 वोल्ट ले सकते हैं, 8 वोल्ट। हाँ भाई, कुछ भी अपने कन्वीनियंस के हिसाब से आप ले लो, मैथमेटिक्स थोड़ा। अच्छा, कोई बता सकता है इसके अक्रॉस वोल्टेज कितना है अभी? अरे 4 वोल्ट ना,
ये only ना sir.
4 वोल्ट ना,
Yes.
और इसके अक्रॉस भी वोल्टेज कितना रहेगा? 4 वोल्ट।
और
अच्छा, चार्ज कितना रहेगा पहले वाले के अक्रॉस?
CV.
V
Q इज इक्वल CV,
BC C
16 हो गया। अच्छा, इसके अक्रॉस भी चार्ज कितना रहेगा?
16.
16।
16 only.
अभी इधर आ जाओ बेटा, अब ये 8 वोल्ट है और ये दोनों कितना हो गया? 8/5। हेलो, 8/5।
Yes sir. Yes sir.
अरे मैन अंडरस्टूड और नॉट प्लीज?
Yes sir.
S R.
ओके, 8/5। अच्छा, तो कैन आई से C net in this case will become 8/5, so can I say Q will become CV, 8/5 into 8 will become 64/5, तो 5 12s are 60, it's a 12.8 आएगा क्या चार्ज? हेलो, 12.8 इसके अक्रॉस कूल है
Yes sir.
और इसके अक्रॉस भी 12.8, बराबर क्या? हेलो,
Yes, sir.
अच्छा वोल्टेज कितना रहेगा इसके अक्रॉस?
4.
इज इक्वल टू,
Sorry, नहीं.
V will divide in the inverse ratio of C. हेलो, अरे मैन,
Yes sir.
तो अगर ये 2 8 4 गुना है तो दूसरा वाला भी वोल्टेज 4 गुना ही रहना चाहिए।
V
मतलब क्या
other
होगा?
वाला upon C net. V net. V net.
एक काम करो ना, Q into C करो ना, Q into C। Q क्या रहेगा? V is equal to Q by C ना, Q by C। Q क्या है? 8/5/8, so this will become 64/5। I don't think so wrong or what?
It comes.
नहीं, सॉरी, एक मिनट।
So V equals to Q by C. No? So
It will be
12.8
10 volts
by.
then.
V will become, एक मिनट, V is equal to Q by C। Q is 12.8 by, बराबर? हेलो,
Yes sir.
एंड इधर का V क्या रहेगा? इट इज 6.4 बराबर। हेलो,
Yes.
ये कितना आएगा? 8 1 जा 8, 9 10 11 12 8 6 जा 48 बराबर
1.6 volt.
1.6 वोल्ट। अब जरा देखो, मजा आएगा। अभी ये समझ गया ना सबको कैसे मैनिपुलेशन है? हेलो, जरा आंसर बताओ यार प्लीज।
Charge on C2 will
Decrease.
decrease.
चार्ज ऑन C2 पहले 16 था, अभी 12.8 हो गया, तो विल डिक्रीज मतलब क्या?
Q.
A Q.
एनर्जी स्टोर्ड
Stored.
इन C2। अच्छा, एनर्जी स्टोर्ड इन C2, पहले एनर्जी कितनी थी? एनर्जी का कुछ भी फॉर्मूला निकालो ना यार। हाफ क्यू वी, हाफ क्यू वी
Yes, sir.
बेटर है ना, हाफ क्यू वी, हाफ क्यू वी। तो हाफ क्यू कितना है? 16। वी कितना है? 4 है,
32.
32 हो गया। अच्छा, इधर कितना रहेगा? हाफ क्यू वी, क्यू कितना है? 12.8।
12.8.
वी कितना है? वी तो मिला
6.4.
6.4, ये भी हो गया 6.4। 6.4 का स्क्वायर अप्रोक्सीमेटली 36 के ऊपर जाएगा, बराबर है क्या?
Yes, sir.
बढ़ गया ना? हेलो हेलो,
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
so
sir.
will increase.
एनर्जी विल इंक्रीज। सबको समझ में आ गया ना कैसे मैनिपुलेशन है यार? मतलब इट इज लाइक नॉर्मल सम ओनली। पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस अक्रॉस C2 विल, पहले कितना था? पहले 4 वोल्ट
Yes,
था,
sir.
अब 6.4 हो गया, तो विल इंक्रीज होनी है ना P।
जी
Yes,
सर।
sir.
एन इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड बिटवीन द प्लेट C2, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इज V/D।
Yeah.
अगर V बढ़ा, D तो सेम ही है ना? हेलो,
So plus we could do this way also now since that thing is removed. K.
हाँ, तो इट विल बिकम E/K। हेलो,
Yes.
नहीं बट E/K करने से E is V/D ना, सिंपल ना फॉर्मूला। हेलो,
Yeah, better.
E is V/D ना बेटा। V कितना? 6.4, तो बढ़ गया ना, तो बढ़ गया P। हेलो, P,
Yes, sir.
Q, P, 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 got it sir, we have done it properly, okay। भैया अगर आप हवा में ऐसे बात करेंगे ना V C, तो आप बुरी तरह से कंफ्यूज हो जाएंगे। डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ टू डू? थोड़ा
Yes,
मेहनत
sir.
लगेगा बट फटाफट यू कैन डू, सो यू विल गेट द रिजल्टेंट आंसर ओनली। आप नंबर कोई भी पकड़ो, अच्छा वाला कोई नंबर पकड़ो जिससे डिविजिबल हो जाए एंड यू कैन डू दैट सब। आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड ना, ठीक है। चलो, आई एम डूइंग, आई एम कमिंग टू द फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन। बेटा बाकी सब लोग तुम लोग कर लेना, फिफ्थ एंड सिक्स्थ आई विल डू एंड देन वी विल वाइंड अप, ठीक है? ठीक है ना, चलेगा ना? ये करना ना, कुछ तो करो यार, है?
Yes, sir.
फिफ्थ वाला भी इजी है, कैसे करेंगे? खाली बता दो मुझे फोर्थ वाला सम कैसे करना है। स्विच बंद करेंगे तो क्या होगा? वही कॉमन वाला, कॉमन पोटेंशियल वाला,
DC.
यस सर।
V1 C1 V1 plus C2 V2 C1 plus C2, एंड पूछा गया एनर्जी लॉस पूछा है ना, एनर्जी लॉस एंड एनर्जी स्टोर। देखो ना एनर्जी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन वाला,
Yes, sir.
तो हाफ C1 C2 1 C1 plus C2 V1 minus V2 द होल
Whole
स्क्वायर।
square.
Whole square.
Square.
इजी है, इसमें खाली स्मॉल स्मॉल कॉन्सेप्ट्स बीइंग अप्लाइड टू डू दिस। चलो इधर आते हैं। एक चीज मैंने आपको बताई थी, अगर आपको याद रहेगा तो, एरिया डिवीजन एंड डिस्टेंस डिवीजन।
Yes, sir.
Sir.
एरिया डिवीजन में K इक्विवेलेंट का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है?
K1
K1
plus
plus
K2 by 2.
2.
If I tell you what about distance division?
K1 K2
1
by
upon
K1
K.
plus K2.
2K1 K2 upon K1 plus
K1
K2,
plus
याद रखना
upon
है।
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
1 upon K equivalent is 1 upon.
हाँ, ऐसे कर सकते हैं। अच्छा, ये कौन सा डिवीजन है? एरिया। एरिया डिवाइड है, प्लेट का एरिया डिवाइड हो रहा है ना। देखो तो ये दो प्लेट है जिनका एरिया डिवाइड हो रहा है, बराबर है क्या? ये आधा एरिया इसको मिल रहा है और आधा एरिया में एयर है। एयर मतलब K का वैल्यू कितना है? इधर 1 है, इधर K2 है, दिया है ना K2, देखो क्वेश्चन में दिया हुआ है K2।
Yes, sir.
तो इधर का K इक्विवेलेंट कितना हो जाएगा? 2 + 1 / 2 ना. हेलो.
Yes, sir.
एंड सेकंड वाले का इसका K क्या हो जाएगा? 2K1 K2 upon K1 plus K2 will become 4/3. बराबर क्या? Hello.
Yes.
Can I say C will be KC only? Initially they were C only, na, both of them. So C1 will become 3/2 times C, KC, and C2 will become 4/3 times C. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Initially, Baba, there was no dielectric. There was C all. Hello, what happened?
Yes, sir.
चलो शुरू करते हैं. What is C1/C2 का ratio? C1/C2
9/8.
9/8 मतलब S बराबर. हेलो.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Q1/Q2 का ratio है. They are in series. They are
Oh,
in
sir, one sec,
series.
sir.
What happened?
The C2 is 4/3 or 4/2?
3.
This formula है ना बेटा.
Yes, sir, sir.
Okay. Getting it ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
नन ऑफ दीज आया तो इतना डरो मत भाई. आता है नन ऑफ दीज. बहुत सारे मैथ्स कॉलम में आता ही है. Q1/Q2 क्या रहेगा? 1:1 रहेगा ना.
yes, sir.
ये कितना
Yes.
है? 9/8 आया ना. ये कितना आएगा? 1:1 आएगा. ये भी ऐसा है.
Since series, that's why, no?
सीरीज ना. हाँ. अच्छा, व्हाट इज एनर्जी का फॉर्मूला?
Q2/2C.
Q2/2C.
Sorry.
Q2/2C बराबर क्या? बट Q इज कांस्टेंट ना.
Q is constant, sir.
इनवर्स टू C आएगा. मतलब U1/U2 will be ratio of ulto of C, right? It will become 8/9. अरे what happened? C का उल्टा आ
Yes,
जाएगा ना.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ये हो जाएगा 8/9. मतलब फिर से आंसर ऐसा है ना.
Yes, sir.
S. What is the problem? बोलो
Yes,
यार.
sir.
कॉन्सेप्चुअली तो हमने एकदम स्ट्रांगली किया है इसको. कोई दिक्कत नहीं है एकदम. बोलो.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है ना. ओके. लास्ट क्वेश्चन. चलो आ जाओ. क्या करना है सबसे पहले? अगर हमको प्लेट्स दिख रहे हैं ऐसे सब चार्ज बटे हुए
Charge
हैं, तो
distribution.
हमको सबसे पहले चार्ज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन करना है. क्या ना इससे इधर कितना आएगा? नेट चार्ज डिवाइडेड बाय 2. याद है ना? चलो नेट चार्ज कितना है सबको ऐड कर लो. 4 5 6 7 14 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 विल बिकम 7Q.
Yes, sir.
यहाँ पर भी 7Q आएगा ना. तो अगर यहाँ पे 7Q है तो यहाँ पे -3Q आना चाहिए, बिकॉज 4Q टोटल है. हेलो सर, व्हाट आर यू डूइंग सर? अरे टोटल इज
Yes, sir.
4Q मैन. So out of that 7Q is sitting here, so -3Q because the resultant has to be 4Q. So if
Yeah.
this is 3Q, the opposite has to become
Opposite,
+3Q. So this
then
has to be
-2Q.
-2Q. So this has to become +2Q.
+2Q.
So this guy will become 0 and this will
Zero.
become 0.
Yes, sir.
Now look at the answers, man. You'll get the answers. Okay. पहले वाला आंसर क्या कह रहा है? Surface having charges same magnitude and sign. Same magnitude and sign.
1 and 8.
1 and
8.
8. P, na?
Yes, sir.
Surface is having positive charges.
1,
1, 3, 5.
3, 5, and 8.
P and Q.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Uncharged surfaces.
6 and 7.
S. Charged surfaces.
PQR.
PQR.
Leaving,
Done. No, what is the
Leaving 6
problem?
and 7.
What is the problem? I hope you all have understood capacitors now. Okay. Now I think last part of subjective is left. Obviously there are 27 questions, so we'll be taking 2 lectures, that is Saturday and Tuesday. Saturday and Tuesday. So next week
Sir?
afterwards we can start with electromagnetic induction. Yes, sir. Tell
The
me.
next Wednesday advanced test will be capacitors only, no?
How you'll finish it off, na beta?
Because in the timetable you have written, that's why I was
हाँ,
asking.
Saturday and Tuesday तक तो it will get over only. na?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, and that last lecture also, it's okay. We will do EMI. Then alternating current is very simple. You know, alternating current हो जाएगा. तो ये book हमारा खत्म हो जाएगा. So we can start with our Gibbs plus thermo का book. Understand?
Yes.
It is going
Yes.
very smoothly, and
So-
हाँ बेटा.
So the heat का video you sent, first what we have to see? Thermodynamics or heat?
नहीं first heat देखो, heat one.
Okay, sir.
Thermo सबसे end में सिखाऊंगा. Heat 1, then heat 2. I will be starting with thermal expansion start. Thermometry and thermal expansion. Then I'll go to KTG. Then I'll go do calorimetry. Then I'll go to thermodynamics. समझ में आ रहा है ना?
Yes, sir.
Okay, तो एकदम smooth चल रहा है, एकदम
So
अच्छा
this
चल रहा है.
topic will take like around 15-20 days, na? Heat and
हाँ,
thermal.
20 days it will take. फिर light ही बाकी है ना हमारा तो.
अच्छा.
Light and वो fluid हो जाएगा.
Elasticity.
वो सब
Yes,
हो
sir.
जाएगा, वो कोई issue नहीं है बेटा. Okay, वो issue नहीं है कोई भी.
So today we will be continuing with waves only, no?
Waves,
Yes.
हाँ, we'll do subjective and we'll start with second chapter also.
Okay, sir.
So today what time? 4:45 ना?
वही 4:45 से लेके
हाँ.
we'll be doing subjective some questions and then we'll start with the second chapter of waves. आराम से एकदम smooth चल रहा है
Today
बेटा.
Rams is not
Okay.
there, that's fine.
हाँ, we'll continue. 4:45 से आराम से whatever we can do we'll do. ठीक है ना? चलो.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Bye, sir.
चलो
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Bye, sir.